Well, hello. This video is for CEC Denver students who are within range of completing the Foundations of Recording Arts Technology certificate. Congratulations, you've completed 4 different college classes, a total of 11 credits, and those credits together are going to be able to get you an actual college certificate for graduating. Again, it's the Foundations of Recording Arts Technology. Let me walk you through how to fill out the grad application. You fill out this form, you do well in your classes, and you get your diploma in the mail. So here we are at the Grad app. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to hit next. Here we're going to enter our name. You're going to enter your S number, whatever that is. It's going to be an S followed by 8 digits. You're going to put in your email address, whatever that might be. And then go ahead and put in a phone number there, whatever that number might be. I would opt in to get text messages. That way, if there is any issues with your application, you'll be notified by text as opposed to having to check your college email. Then you're going to put in whatever address you need to so that that address shows up so that your diploma comes to you in the mail. Go ahead and indicate that you are from Westminster campus, that you're applying for the spring, and make sure that you have your name on the application or on as you wish it printed on your diploma. Make sure that if you want to put your middle name, you can write that. You can do pretty much whatever you want here, but make sure that it is your legal name and not nicknames. Up to you if you want to do middle name or middle initial. Let's hit next. From here, we're going to scroll down. We're going to choose a certificate. Now, once you choose certificate, there are a lot of them to choose from. We're going to be looking for the Foundations of Recording Arts. One of the neat things you can do with your web browser is if you hold Control F and then you just search recording, sure enough, it shows right up. We want the Foundations of Recording Arts Technology. That's the one we're going to complete. So select that. Go to the bottom of the page. You don't have any other colleges from which credit is coming, so you can leave that blank. We've got 3 checkboxes here. The first checkbox says that your college email, your front range email, is going to be how the college stays in touch with you. That is also true, but we also opted into the texting. So if there are any issues, you may also receive a text asking you to check your college email. So we're going to check this box. The next one just says the front range may review to see if you are eligible for any other certificates. If you are, we will try to award those to you, but it's not a guarantee that that would happen. And we know we're applying for just one, so we're going to check this box. Next here, you're going to sign that you understand that you're not eligible for financial aid for certificates you've already completed. Some students get tripped up on this. This just means that you can't take out a federal loan to pay for classes you've already taken. That's all that it means. All right. Now, this last part just says that you told the truth to the best of your knowledge on this form. So we're going to type in your signature and you're going to hit submit. That's all, and congratulations.